Creativity is inventing, experimenting, growing, taking risks, breaking rules, making mistakes, and having fun.
I've seen some books, I've seen some authors, and I've seen some local producers of some nice things that we like to cherish.
There is no doubt that Jamaicans are a set of creative people. Since the start of time, we have been turning our hands to make fashion, and we have not disappointed one bit. The creative scene on the island has grown, and more artists, artisans, craftsmen, and women have dedicated their time and resources to bettering and promoting their craft. And it is for this reason we as a people should support local art and craft. One such place that creates an avenue for this group of creatives is the Mico University College. We stopped by the Mico's annual Art, Craft and Things pop-up shop when it took place in November to see what the artists and craftsmen were exhibiting.
Hi, I'm Margaret Christie, the event coordinator for the Mico pop-up shop. This is not the first year Mico is doing this. They've been doing it for quite a while, but it was usually an internal event. And they decided that they want to make it bigger and better and invite external vendors. So they asked me to assist, and so I reached out to a couple of the artisans. I'm a part of the artisan community myself. So I reached out to them. They all loved the idea and loved the campus and wanted to be a part of this pop-up shop.
Feasting our eyes on these mouth-watering, well-seasoned slices of jerk pork seems just about right. But before we all get a little too hungry, let's hear from some of the entrepreneurs and artisans showing examples of the quality of art to be had right here in Jamaica.
Yes, I'm Carl Dennis. I'm the artist for this work that you're looking at behind me. My work is inspired by the stained glass that's in the Catholic or the Anglican Church. The vibes come from it. So what I do is work with my technique, which is a mixed media in my work. That is my signature pieces, and the effect is, you can see, is glowing. I'd like to get the vibes in my work and make them shine.
My name is Akila Africa, and I'm with Black Butterfly. Well, I'm a wire bender. That's one of the techniques that I use. Did you know that wire has a grain? So I like to, when I'm making my rings, I really try to listen to the wire and bend it the way it wants to be bent. So we start with a mandrel, and we get the measurement of the person's finger, and we take our wire and we wrap it just to get the form, and then we can go crazy. Do whatever design, weaving. There's a technique called basket weaving. We can add beads, we can add stones. The possibilities are endless. I just really love jewelry, I love fashion, and I really believe that we express ourselves through what we wear. It's one of our modes of expression.
I am Devon Garcia. I work in wood and paper. My main work is really wood carving, starting from out of school, from a hobby, not having nothing much to do. So the truth is they used to call me like the pretty dots, okay? So I use up my time to doing something that I can do. So I started to draw. People like my drawing. When I get work to do, I can't manage it, I just draw the entire classroom, okay? So I always get away with things by using it's my escape to everything. So from out of school, I've been drawing. People like it. One day by accident, I just find a little piece of wood, start my first carving, one screwdriver, sharpen it, turned into a chisel. And from one screwdriver, I did my first carving. Win numbers award, local award in national exhibition and thing, medal, gold, bronze, certificate, you name it. Last award was being inducted in the Caribbean Hall of Fame, and that's all about it, you know. Never stop working, and years of experience develop my work, because I would encourage people to, anything you can do, don't care how simple, just put everything you have inside of it, master it. After that, now then you're free to experiment at anything else you want.
Having left Mico several decades ago, it's still one of my favorite spots. And I just was coming in to talk to a young Mico student, and I bumped into this. It is inspiring. I've seen quite a number of cultural things. I've seen things on Marcus Garvey, my favorite hero, and I've seen some entrepreneurs. I've seen some books, I've seen some authors, and I've seen some local producers of some nice things that we like to cherish. I want to congratulate the persons who are actually displaying their material, because this is where we need to be self-sufficient and do quite a lot of our things ourselves.
Hello, my name is Eden Emmanuel Williams and I am 9 years old. I created 2 books called The Little Girls and the Cave and The Little Girls and the Woods. It's a short series about 3 little girls who go on amazing adventures. It's for ages 4 to 12, well, all ages, but ideally for 4 to 12.
I'm Jenny. I'm 13. The name of my business is Jenny's Resin. What we do is we buy cups and we customize them to your liking. So we can put your name and anything on it. We do many different types of designs for whatever you like at different costs. The machines that we use Cricut Space, and what works with Cricut is vinyl. So right here is vinyl is basically like a piece of sticky paper that can cut out like any shape or word you want, and then you peel off the back and you paste it on this.
All the proof you need that our Jamaicans are beyond talented and resourceful. Across the island, you'll find a number of events or exhibitions offering an avenue for these creators to promote their works. What's happening near you? Get out of your house and go and explore the beautiful and creative works of our Jamaican people. You'd be surprised at what you can find.